Welcome everyone back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you these 3 ingredients I use on my hair, and I also use it on my kids hair. One thing I love about it is it smells good. It doesn't really smell bad. It smells good for me. I don't know about you, but it smells good for me. So I already prepared the ingredient, put it in this spray bottle. So I'm just shaking it thoroughly before I spray on her scalp. You can use it on braids. You can use it on your scalp. You can use it on your hair. You can use it even on the way you see me use it. You can use it anyhow you want it to be. And I use it on her hair or her scalp 2 times a month. After applying it to her scalp, I make sure that I massage her scalp very well. Massage it to increase blood circulation to her scalp. Then if you are just spraying it, if your hair is open, then after that you can style it. But in this case, since I'm not going to be unraveling this hair, so I will just spray it and pack the hair back and leave it on. So if you want to use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a leave-in. If you want to wash it out, all left to you. But you can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a conditioner. It helps to eliminate dandruff. It helps to prevent or to reduce hair loss. It also helps to promote hair growth. And I spray it on my kids' hair most of the time when I see a little bit of dandruff, and it also helps to reduce dandruff. I'm done spraying it to her hair, and I've also massaged her hair very well. Now I'll just hold the hair back with a rubber band and then I leave it on. This is the second way in which I use this same ingredient on my kids' hair or even on my hair. Instead of using water, I use it, I spray it, and then apply oil and I style her hair anywhere I want. Now to prepare this spray, the first ingredient we need is cloves. Clove is an aromatic spice, for those who don't know, that can use in foods and drinks. And then the second ingredient we have is aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good to prevent hair loss, and it also helps, it suits the scalp. And if you don't know how to make aloe vera gel, I have a video on my channel on how I make aloe vera gel, and this is just a little bit of how I made the gel. After I finish making the gel, I'll just set it aside. Once the glove is cooked and cooled down, I am going to sieve it and put it in the spray bottle. Then I'll add the aloe vera gel that I previously made in it. And then the third ingredient I'm going to be adding into this bottle is going to be olive oil. And the olive oil I'm using here is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil helps to promote shine. It makes your hair shiny, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil because of the smell. It doesn't smell. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more of my natural hair ingredients or my conditioner, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.